Yeah, it wasn't even recording.
No?
No.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well, hey everyone. We had a video planned here, but the camera, I'm not sure what went on there, but yeah, that sucks. So you guys can see here in front of us, we got a pile of copper anyways. My buddy took the Freon out of this a while back, and we had it outside and didn't bring it inside because we didn't want to deal with the mess that we're dealing with now. But nonetheless, we had a little bit of time. It's only taken us about a half hour, 40 minutes that the camera wasn't filming for.
Oh wow.
But that's okay. We'll show you guys. Got some wire there. And a little bit of copper there. Got a big pile of copper there. I don't own a Sawzall. I do at work, but it's 10 o'clock at night and we had time. Unfortunately, I am currently laid off, so yeah.
There's some extra time on our hands.
Yeah. But there's a nice big pile of copper for the dream right there. These are nice big ones. Cassie's just getting the last little motor out of there.
Yeah, I need a special thingy.
And then, yeah, we got a couple ACRs right here. Look at them copper rats. This one's really nice. Really good. A little bit of more aluminum. A couple motors.
Oh, the dream.
But yeah, so, in a big freaking mess. But it's pretty good haul of copper there. Now we'll finish doing what we're doing, and yeah, we'll clean this all up, and I guess we'll show you guys what we got out of the deal.
What are you doing? You're so cute. Why are you such a cutie? Yeah.
So here is our haul. Everything that came out of that. Now we left the sealed unit in it because it's just considered shred at our yard, and we didn't want to deal with the mess there as we had enough mess to deal with. But yeah, there's our wire. A few pieces of that are going to be stripped still because they're thick, and when you bend them they stay that way. Just a bunch of miscellaneous plug-ins and stuff, and all the screws and everything. This is just shred that the motor came out of, one of the motors. And there's two motors and a transformer and a little spool. A little bit of aluminum. We got two ACRs, and we had a third one. This one. I don't have a Sawzall, so I just kind of
Demolished it?
slightly. Hey, it's
Whatever works.
It's enjoyable, and that's what I got out of the deal. A bucket full of copper there, and all these pieces here, which is quite a bit. But yeah, I think we did pretty good.
And it was fun.
It was fun. So yeah, we hope everybody's out there having a good day or a good night. And sorry it wasn't a complete teardown. At least 30 minutes or maybe a little bit more that we figured was being filmed was not being filmed at all. So yeah.
Because our camera is not the greatest, but we're making do.
May do.
Just as long as everybody else is having a good night, and hopefully everybody else out there is getting some scrap scores.
Well, and we could have done this sooner, but we kind of just held off because we are saving our copper right now anyways. So
And we've had a lot on our plate.
yeah, and we've had lots on our plate. But nonetheless, that I think was pretty good for about an hour and a half. Like I said, I think all together here, this bucket is definitely about, you know, I would say 3 to 5 pounds plus all that stuff there. And then these are pretty heavy. So yeah, good scores, good scores.